Recursive function is a function which calls itself in its declaration. It's a chain reaction which causes infinite loop and leads to stack overflow error. To overcome this, we need to stop the function calls by adding conditional statements. Let's check how recursion works in this episode. In this example, we have countOn function with n as parameter. Let me invoke countOn with argument 2. Now the n is 2 and 2 is greater than 0, which is valid, and 2 will be console log. Then 2 gets decremented and countOn function is called with n as 1. Now the n is 1 and 1 is greater than 0, which is true, and 1 will be console log. Then 1 gets decremented and countOn function is called with n as 0. Now the n is 0 and 0 is greater than 0 is not true, which breaks the recursive chain. This is how recursion works. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. See you in another video.